The three commonly used English words. First, agostopia, admiration of particular parts of someone's body. Definition: means love or one part of the body the individual may refer or certain parts of the body to do tasks, or they may protect it especially from everything by shielding it. Example: this agostopia I have for a neck reader when assistance. Second, cabotage. Coastal liberation, the exclusive rights of a country to control the earth traffic within its borders. Definition: restriction of a operation of sea, air, or other transport services when within or into a particular country to do that country's own transport services. Example: carriage or cargo between two points within a country by a civil or civical registered in another country. Permission to engage in cabotage is a general, strictly restricted in a very country. The lastly is Furman. In Turkey and some other Oriental countries, the degree or mandate issued by the suffrage. Definition: in an edict or administrative order issued by or in the name of the Middle Eastern suffrage. Example: the firman was undoubtedly illegal since the equivalent is a conviction formation in acquiescing international sanction, but the Christians were unable to resist and the power of a stand from intervention. That's all. Thank you.